Face mask donation. Voyager honored. No kid hungry. All right now on FCA Replay. FCA is stepping in to help those at the front lines of the coronavirus pandemic by manufacturing and donating more than 1 million protective face masks per month to police, EMTs, and firefighters, as well as to workers in hospitals and healthcare clinics. The company is also expanding its efforts to help those affected by providing more than 1 million meals to school-aged children, and by investing FCA technical, logistical, and manufacturing resources at the need for more medical equipment and personal protective equipment. FCA CEO Mike Manley stated, "In this time of need, we've focused our resources on those actions we can implement quickly, and that will have the greatest impact, as we did in Italy as soon as the emergency started." The 2020 Chrysler Voyager earned a Kelley Blue Book's 5-year Cost to Own award in its launch year. The 7-passenger Voyager offers a 3.5-inch digital information display, Uconnect 4 system with 7-inch touchscreen, along with an available safety tech group that includes ParkSense rear park assist with stop, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-path detection. The Chrysler brand is expanding on its partnership with No Kid Hungry, a national campaign focused on ending child hunger in America. With the sale of every Pacifica through the end of June, Chrysler will make a contribution that will help No Kid Hungry provide hundreds of meals to kids across the country. And those are this week's top stories here on FCA Replay. I'm Peter Spezia, reporting for FCA Digital Media.